Jesus died, saints,
uYesu wafa
to take away the sin
kuba asuse izono
in us.
apha kuthi.
That doesn't mean
Ayithi lo
when you are born again,
xa uzalwe kutsha
you sin better.
wonakekela.
No, you are sinning.
Hayi yona.
Your sin is not blessed.
Isono sakho sikekelelanga.
You're just like the other people.
Uyafana nje nawe.
When they want to come to the house of God,
Xa bezayo endlini kaThixo
when they see Mama Ruti,
babona umamfundisi.
but you uzongishaya ngesipini.
Say uzangishaya ngesibili.
Uzongithathela umuntu wakho.
She will take my person.
Umthatha ngeke ndiye. Not my person. Uzothathela umuntu wami. Not my person. Wena qonda ngene ngayo.
She will take my partner.
So what we do, saints,
Into esiyenzayo ke bazalwane,
we reject the word of God.
siyalikhanyela izwi likaThixo.
Others will come.
Abanye bazawuza.
You see this old man.
Uyambona lo tata umdala.
Others will come
Abanye bazawuza.
because bejonga ipay. They want to balance life.
Balance life.
Maybe sometimes we talk about someone who's a doctor or who's a multi-millionaire.
Amanye amaxesha sithetha ngomntu osezimalini.
People will come because